You can easily see the haze hovering over parts of the Bay Area, and the further east you go, the worse the air quality gets. The Saturday morning walk felt a tad bit uncomfortable. According to Air Now, a government air quality resource, Pleasanton recorded air pollution levels about 150 or above, which is considered unhealthy for everyone, but it didn't bother everyone. The air quality in the Bay is actually faring better than last year, despite the more than dozens of active wildfires burning statewide. That's according to the Air Quality Management District. Depending on which way the wind blows will determine how often we'll wake up to the hazy skies. Those skies can lead to smoky air particles, so doctors recommend you stay indoors with windows shut and central air systems on recirculate. But as long as you're not breathing the air for a straight 24 hours, experts say reactions will likely be minimal. Reporting in Pleasanton, I'm James Torres, KTVU, Fox 2 News.